Hey class, this is Andrew Higgins, and I'm doing my presentation on why you should never take out a payday loan. 8 people. There you go. You have the freaking wrong way. So, are you guys familiar with those annoying commercials that come up every time it cuts to break when you're watching your favorite TV show? You know those annoying commercials where that bald guy Montel Williams asks you if you need to pay your bills now, or you don't have cash until payday? Well, you might want to think twice about calling him until you know what he's actually offering you. It's a no-brainer that everyone listening will at some point take out a loan in their lives. But how many of you know your credit score? Well, if you don't know your credit score, or you even have poor credit, chances are a bank won't help you. So then what? Well, you might be tempted to give your friend Montel a call, but don't think he'll solve all your problems. The payday loan industry is a highly profitable industry, and the commercials for them may sound too good to be true, and that's because they are. Payday loans are very misleading, discriminatory to borrowers, and cause more harm than good, and that is why I'm advising you to never take one out. Throughout this speech, I will discuss what payday loans are, how they can be misleading to potential borrowers, why they are discriminatory to actual borrowers, and why they become more problematic than beneficial for borrowers. So you must be wondering, what exactly is a payday loan? Well, according to Credit.com in October 2016, a payday loan, also referred to as a payday advance, the small, unsecured, short-term loan offered by non-depository institutions where they can offer you a small cash advance and have it be deposited in your bank account within 24 hours. So you're probably wondering what's so bad about that, and the answer is that it's because it is very misleading. To the uneducated borrower, payday loan commercials sound like a great way to meet short-term needs. I mean, who wouldn't want to borrow a quick loan just to hold them over until the next payday? Most commercials even say that after a 3-minute online application, they can deposit up to $1,000 in your bank account within 24 hours, as long as you have identification and proof of future income. As I stated, these too good to be true commercials are exactly that. These commercials make everything sound great, but in reality they don't tell you the truth. These loans are misleading because they appeal to those who have little to no basic understanding of finances. In addition, these commercials do not tell potential borrowers about hidden fees and the actual cost of borrowing these loans. According to Mass.gov Consumer Affairs and Business Regulation Office in December of 2015, the average payday loan typically carries APR rates of around 400%. Furthermore, they state that most borrowers are unaware of that these lending institutions have access to your bank accounts if you don't pay them on time. I'm sure that if most people who borrowed these payday loans knew that they would be paying back, on average, 4 times the amount they borrowed, and that these institutions